Until he doesn't care very much, as you can see.
He doesn't.
He's actually quite happy to share his carcass. So she's either trying to really fool him to actually just mate, or she's just trying to mate so she gets food. Either way, she's winning.
Right. We're like that, you know. As long as we're winning, it's all good.
Quite different though.